How to do it so hard? Then it has colors. Okay, look at yourself. Ready for painting nails?
Yeah.
Let me do your feet.
This one.
Wait. Not painting. I mean just painting nail. Ready?
Nail first.
Yeah. Don't move.
What about that pink one?
Smells good, right?
Can I smell? I can't smell it.
Your other hand.
Hurry up. Why is the black is purple?
I can't see.
What about the yellow one? Ah!
It's okay. Just wipe it. Ready? Let it calm down.
Let it.
Hey, don't move.
Wait.
Don't move. Don't move. Okay, your feet. Your feet.
No, my feet.
Big fat feet. Big fat feet. Okay, never mind. Just do like this. Just do like this. Now we'll paint your